Holy crap. Hey, I killed your pets. What are you gonna do about... I swear to God, when I get in there... That's not how bows work. I have to kill you. You must pay for your evil... Where are you going? Go back here. Pay for your evil... Fuck. Deeds! Evil deeds. Give me my... Oh, hello. You're not an item. Oh, what? Oh, no. Rats. Why is there so much smoke? You're a big fucking rat. Really? I know!
I have to find a way up. And that's just the trouble.
How about you try it now?
This lift only goes down.
Are you actually... See? Yeah, do you understand now? See, it goes up. It just got... Where'd you go? What? Where are you? How the fuck did he get up there and how... Where are you? Sigmar, are you here? There you are. What's up, man?
You see that? That humongous beast.
Whoa! Nah, it's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. We can do this, man. We got this. Alright, Sigmar, you got this. I believe in you. Are you guys, like, genuinely just retarded? Yes, yes you are. Alright, so here's what you do. You get this, right? You grab the item, and then, stay with me here, you jump this way. Was that so hard? Alright, now I've seen the trailer. I know that's the boss right there. Alright, now if I'm not mistaken, I have to hit you in the balls. Yep. Whoa. Ah! He throws shit. Oh god. Holy shit, that's loud! Uh-oh. Whoa! Excuse you! Like, is there any point to me blocking? Oh my god, I'm getting so many souls. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I broke him. Whoa! Okay. And it grew an arm. Fantastic. I sure hope it doesn't try and grab me. I actually feel bad now. Some will say this is cheating. I call it using my tools to my advantage to continue hitting him while he's, you know, flailing about like a fucking idiot. And dead. Yeah, first try. I kind of cheated a little bit, but I beat it first try, so I don't care. Nom, nom, nom.